Here we come to the elevators at the Post Oak Dillards by the Galleria Mall in Houston, Texas. And I finally, and I mean finally, get a much more updated take on these elevators after more than 10 years. 11 years to be exact. Oh yes, I remember these elevators here. 4. Epic. Let's see if we can get the other elevator car this time. But man, was that an epic motor, even though the fan is a little bit loud. Oh, we got a fan on this one as well. I forgot to take a look at the phone box, but there's your ADA foam. Aside from that fan, you still hear the motor pretty well. Going on to G. Are you going down?
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. What floor would you like?
174.
Yep, I got that right. Have to go gong chime. All right, well, you have a great day, man.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. P2 opens on that rear side over there, just so you know. Anyways, I think these used to be Westinghouse elevators because the escalators are a Westinghouse, but I'm not gonna film the escalators because it's in a store and I don't want to get I don't want to get harassed like I almost did back at First Colony Mall. Alright, if no one's waiting, I might go for one more ride because I want to get a listen to that motor. Well, never mind. People are going to get on, so. We're going to get on. You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Alright, there it goes. And that was your updated take that I finally got. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.